Okay guys, be honest with me. How many times have you scrolled through Instagram, seen an amazing product, and had no idea where to actually buy it from? It's so annoying, right? Well, that problem ends today. Today, we're adding the shoppable Instagram feed section to your store. And honestly, it's such a great way to showcase your Instagram content right on your homepage. It gives your store that authentic social media feel while letting customers shop directly from the images they're already scrolling through. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app you need. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. Genuinely, this app makes building your store so much easier. I say this every time, but it's true every time. Installing it takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Shop Instagram. There it is. Only one section shows up with this exact name. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where all your purchase sections live. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and just like that, the section installs successfully. Open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once it's ready, click on Add Section, search for Insta, and select that section. It'll be added instantly. Now, let's scroll down and customize it together. And honestly, this part is so simple. Just select any card, let's go with this first one, and the second you click on it, all its settings pop up right here. The heading, the Instagram handle, the Instagram link. You can even add a video here, but I don't have one ready right now, so let's skip that and just close it out. Then add an image instead. This becomes the cover photo for the card. Now, let's scroll down and start adding products, one by one, just like this. You can do this across every single card, adding your own bestsellers or whatever fits each post. And that's genuinely it. Customizing this section is that easy. All right, let's hit save and let's check this out in view mode to see the final result. Oh, this looks so good. Honestly, it instantly makes the store feel more alive, more social, more trustworthy, like real people are actually behind the brand. If this tutorial helped you out even a little, drop a like for me. And if you run into any issues while setting this up, just drop a comment. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help you out.